In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an account in QuickBooks Online. This process is simple and quick, and it only takes about 5 minutes. Whether you're cleaning up your company's financials or just need to get unused accounts out of the way, this guide will help you do just that effortlessly. Let's start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. This is a necessary first step, as you'll need access to your account to make any changes. So open up QuickBooks and click on the sign in button. If you're not already familiar, this will take you to a page where you can choose how to continue. What you want to do here is select QuickBooks Online. Now you'll be asked to provide your credentials. Make sure you type in your username and password correctly, as it will authenticate you and allow access to the features we need. After entering your details, go ahead and click Continue to gain entry into your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the Transactions tab. You'll find this tab on the left side of the dashboard. This is where most of your financial information is centralized, and it's also the hub for accessing various accounting features. After navigating to the Transactions tab, your next move will be to click on Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is essentially a complete listing of all accounts used in the general ledger of your company, and it serves as a backbone to your financial data. In the chart of accounts, you might notice various accounts that need to be managed or hidden. To hide an account, which is known as making it inactive in QuickBooks, you'll want to look to the right side of the account you wish to hide. Here you'll see a drop down arrow. Go ahead and click it. This drop down will present you with a few options, and what you're looking for is Make Inactive. Once you've clicked Make Inactive, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm your action. This is the point where QuickBooks is making sure that you're certain about hiding the account from all of your records. You'll see two distinct options: Yes, Make Inactive, and Keep Active. If you're sure you're ready to hide the account, click Yes, Make Inactive. If you've changed your mind and decide not to hide it, choose Keep Active. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully hidden an account in QuickBooks Online. You can still view inactive accounts if you ever need to by selecting the option to include inactive accounts in your chart of accounts view. This allows you to reactivate them if needed. Hopefully this gives you a clearer picture of managing your accounts in QuickBooks, helping you tidy up your finances with ease.